Welcome to our latest video, where we are going to show you how to install the Windows 11 Media Player on your Windows 10 machine. If you are like us, you have probably been blown away by the sleek design and functionality of the Media Player on Windows 11. And what is better than having the same experience on your Windows 10 computer? In this tutorial, we will take you through the entire process step by step and show you just how easy it is to get the Windows 11 Media Player on your PC. Now, let me show how you can get it installed. There are two types of files, one is Replacer and another Side Install. Replacer, as the name suggests, requires the original app to be uninstalled. Side Install, on the other hand, can be installed alongside the original app. Before we get started, we need to install the certificate so that the files can be authenticated, so go to the video up here or down in the description below to install the certificate needed. If you are using Replacer versions, the first step is to download MSX Hero from the Microsoft Store. Note it requires .NET 6.0, so you will have to install it on startup. Once downloaded, go to the Packages tab, click on the filter icon, tick the System App option, and untick the Offers App Installer Auto Update option. Next, search for Groove Music and click on the app icon that appears. In the right side pane, click Uninstall and then click Remove for current user in the prompt that appears. After that, you need to navigate to the Replacer folder and open the M6 package of Windows Media Player. Lastly, click Install and Done. For side install versions, simply navigate to the Side Install folder and open the M6 package of Windows Media Player. Click Install and you're good to go. So, there you have it. With my tutorial, you can easily install Windows 11 Media Player on your Windows 10 device. This is a wonderful way to explore new apps and features that are not available on Windows 10 yet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.